when our streets became nothing more than unfriendly noise. We figured maybe this world deserved something different, something special. So we traveled its friendliest country,
Austria!
to extract the very essence of all the sounds that make this joy of life, this Lebensgefühl, unique.
Grüß euch!
The Austrian Lebensgefühl, from the highest of heights to the quiet moments. And the things most people miss.
One more time, please.
And with the help of people who cared to listen, we built a bell with a sound so joyful, it felt like a smile. We proudly present our gift to the world. Created with real sounds from Austria. The world's friendliest bicycle bell.